Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, children. What did we do in the last class? I think we did exercises of
Ma'am,
chapter.
we did exercises.
Yes, we did the exercise.
Ma'am, we had a merged class.
We had our first class.
No, ma'am, we had combined class with A.
Okay, we had a combined class. Yes, correct. Now let me take out the book. Let me see. Okay. We were, I think, on page number 77, right? We are supposed to do this, the fourth exercise.
What we have done?
Fourth we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in the fifth exercise, now this fifth exercise, children, you are supposed to do in your copies also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is supposed to be done in this fifth exercise? It says, completez le texte avec les mots donnés, which means complete the text with the words given. All of you open your cameras. The whole class is sitting with the cameras off. So there are a few words given here. Yes, Arshia?
Ma'am, I want to ask, ma'am, have we done the third exercise?
Third one is not to be done, beta. It's to be skipped. Why? Because it is a
Okay,
lab
ma'am.
exercise.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The fourth one everyone has done? Fourth exercise is done.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in the fifth exercise, how you're supposed to do this fifth exercise is, first, we translate all the words that are given. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words given. We have to first translate. This is the tip to do these kind of exercises. Just give a minute to yourself and translate all these words. And then read the text that is given below and try to fit these words in those blanks. Clear? Do it. Your time starts now.
And can you send the picture of the previous exercise?
Previous exercise. Beta, you want the solved exercises or unsolved ones?
Ma'am, solved.
Solved, okay. I'll send it on the class group. All the exercises or just the previous one?
On just this chapter's
before-
exercises.
Yes.
This chapter's exercises.
On this fifth, we have to do in notebook.
Yes, beta. The fifth one you're supposed to do in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Check your class group, beta. I've sent the exercise over there. The previous two exercises. This one I'm not sending this page because I have solved it in my book. So you'll all see and do it from there. So I'm not sending it right now. In case you don't have the book, then one of you can share the PDF. And what is wrong? Why is everybody sitting with the cameras off? Okay, have you translated all the words that are given?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. She.
Ma'am, sentence.
Okay, what do you mean by M? A-I-M-E. How have you translated this one?
Friend.
No, it's not friend. Friend means, what is a friend? Army is a friend. Army is a friend. M is not a friend. What is M? Wait a sec.
Ma'am, I was saying that word,
Okay, very nice.
meaning of that word on the group.
Now, army is a friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Okay? A friend, it is a male friend.
Ma'am,
Now, if we put A-I-E, it becomes a friend who is a female friend. A female friend is army with I in the end. This word is A-I-M-E. M. You can see the difference in both the spellings. Now this M word comes from it is a verb. It comes from the verb aimer. Like we have aller, avoir, être. We have done these three verbs so far. Moving ahead, we will come to the verbs which will be ER.
Ma'am, in the next chapter, this verb is there.
Yes. These are ER ending
ma'am,
verbs.
it means like.
Yes, it means to like. Now here, when it is written M, here it means likes or like. It can mean both. Either it means to like I like something, or she or he likes something. It can be used in both the cases, depending on the sentence. Then next is EST, A, which means is. Okay, and the last word is given A, which means has. Now translate
There are two
whole passage.
words
Yes?
in the starting.
What starting?
There are two more words, L and U.
Ma'am, it means she.
Yes, L means she.
You have not spoken them.
Yun means a. It could mean a, or it could mean any of the two. Can you see the entire board?
Ma'am, I'm just coming in a minute.
What?
Ma'am, I'm just coming in a minute.
I can't understand, Rishit.
Ma'am, I'm just coming in a minute.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the word, ma'am, that is given on the, ma'am, second line, ma'am, third word, before the, ma'am, first word, after the bag.
Okay, poupée. It is called a poupée, which means a doll. Children, done? Are you able to solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I was done.
You have also done. Okay, one by one, what we'll do is those who have done, start speaking the first sentence. Who was the first one to finish? Arshia, read the first line.
और जो हुई ये ले anniversary. What do you pronounce it?
Davni.
Davni.
Okay, the name of the
Dav-
girl is Avni. And when we write D apostrophe Avni, what do we mean by that? Arshia, can you translate this whole line in English?
Ma'am, today is Avni's birthday.
Yes, today it is. Aujourd'hui c'est l'anniversaire, the birthday of Avni. Now, when we have written Davni, what do we mean? The means of. Les Amis, the Caroline. We did in the previous chapter, chapter 6. Les Amis,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Caroline. Now, there we write
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Caroline. Caroline is what? Proper noun. Special name. It's a proper noun. So we write the before it. But here we are eliminating this E. Why? Because we have a vowel after that. Avni is a name that starts with letter A. So that is why we write Davni. Okay? Next sentence. Who will read out the next sentence?
Was the second.
Yes, Kavit.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Henry a un cadeau for Avni.
Very nice. Translate this line.
Ma'am, it is Henry has a. Mom, I'm not getting of kado.
Kado means a gift. Kado means a gift. Okay. Henry has the first
Has a
blank is
for Avni.
very nice. The first blank is say, second blank is are. Who will read the third one? Who has done?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, ce sont, uh, uh, ma'am, what is the word AIME?
What are you reading? Which sentence are you reading? Avni.
Ma'am, third.
Ma'am, is reading a third one.
So
Ma'am,
the third
it has
sentence,
only
read it out once again.
Ma'am, ce sont, ma'am, S.
Say, beta, it is called say. C-E-S-T is called say.
Ma'am, say, ma'am, you,
Very
ma'am, poupée.
Say tune poupée. It is a doll. Henry has a gift for Avni. It is a doll. Sit une poupée. Then the fourth one. Who will do the fourth one?
Ma'am, can anyone repeat the sentences?
Okay, I will repeat. Today it is the birthday of Avni.
Ma'am, that's what I'm saying. Ma'am, I'm saying that, ma'am, who has already spoken, can it repeat?
No. Let everybody get a turn. No, there are only 5 sentences, beta. So many students are there. Okay, Darsh Agarwal, can you read out the next sentence? Yes, Darsh, read. Darsh, you're not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the next sentence.
Your voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is coming.
My voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am, but he is saying that your voice is not coming.
Okay, fine. Maybe his network is not fine. Hassan, better you read the next sentence.
Okay, ma'am. The third one or the fourth one?
Fourth one. Third is already done.
LS. Trees. Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of the last word?
No, beta.
No.
This is you have to read the previous one.
That is. Yes.
Avni. What is the fourth
Avni.
sentence? Avni.
Avni aim. Lace. Ma'am, what is the last word?
Yes.
Ma'am, I am just saying that. Ma'am, I was just saying the sentence in French.
I can't hear anyone.
Wait, beta, wait. Yes, now Avni dash le poupée. What will come? Avni dash le poupée. Avni dash the dolls.
Ma'am, likes.
Likes. Avni aime les poupées. Then the last sentence. Prakarsh. Prakarsh, can you answer the last one?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I know first will, ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Avni aime le pupilles elle est.
It is Avni likes the dolls. She is very happy. Elle est très heureuse. Now, what do we call this word? Heureuse. Elle est très heureuse. Okay. The whole this thing passage goes like, today it is the birthday of Avni. Henry has a gift for Avni. It is a doll. Avni likes dolls. She is very happy. Okay, it goes like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, moving forward to the next exercise. Exercise 6 is Chasez-Lantrieu. Now, what is Chasez-Lantrieu? Means choose the odd one out. Now, in all these, just give yourself a little time and try to do it yourself. Let me see if you can do it.
Ma'am, the last sentence, ma'am, L-A, ma'am, say, ma'am, your rules, ma'am, it is, ma'am, she is very happy.
Yes, she is very happy. Elle est très heureuse. Now, in the next one, choose the odd one out. There would be different things, like it could be based on gender, it could be based on number, it could be based on anything that you have to choose the odd one out. Now, what that thing would be, just think yourself.
Ma'am, I got for the first
Ma'am,
sentence.
I got first 3.
Very good, very nice.
Ma'am, I got the first one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the 4th sentence, the last word means river.
Yes, it means a river.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the 4th sentence, ma'am, second word, ma'am, it is paid.
It
Ma'am,
is?
plage. Ma'am, plage is
Plage.
written.
Plage means a beach. Beach is called
Okay.
plage. Piscine is swimming pool. Rivière is river and cinema is cinema.
I'm found the 4, 1 left.
Which one is left?
And mine is only last left.
Last one. Now in last one also see. Maybe it is based on some gender.
Yes.
You can
Yes,
categorize
ma'am.
the odd one out based on gender.
Because no one
Ma'am, I
above
have done.
is gender.
Done.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have done.
Very good.
I have also done.
What is the answer of the first one? Medansh, Amar. Medansh, Kaustubh, Sarthak, Amesha. Be ready to answer now.
Excuse me,
All
ma'am.
four. Yes.
May you tell me the meaning of plage?
Plage means a beach, beta. Beach.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sarthak Sharma. Sarthak, are you there?
No problem.
Medansh
Ma'am,
Amar has
yes.
already left. After listening his name, he has left.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Amesha,
Yes, ma'am.
better read out the first one. Which is the odd one out?
Ma'am, ma'am, Lundi, Dimansh, Mardi, and Jodi.
Yes.
Ma'am, Dimansh is the odd one out.
Okay, very nice. Dimanche is the odd one out. Why? Because it is a holiday on Sunday.
Is all.
All other days are normal working days. Then, next.
Ma'am, it can be like this also that
Somebody
after
mic is creating
Dimanche,
noise.
ma'am, after living one ma'am day after Dimanche, it comes Mardi, and again living one day, it comes Tuesday. So, ma'am, we can take Lundi also.
No, beta. Here you have to take the odd one out is Dimanche only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one. Next Sarthak will tell or not?
Me speaking, but
Sarthak, your signal is very poor. You can type in the chat box, beta. If you know the answer, just type it there in the chat box. Meanwhile,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of piscine? Ma'am,
piscine is a
PISR.
swimming pool. Piscine is a swimming pool.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aviral Bhardwaj. Aviral is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you answer the third one.
Okay, ma'am. Deman, semen, equal, औजड़ हुई. Ma'am, औजड़ हुई.
No.
Ma'am, Canada.
Okay, Pranavi will tell. Pranavi.
Geography, Francis, Hindi, Indian. The odd one out is Indian.
Okay, this one was to be answered by Sarthak.
Ma'am, Sarthak told the answer of third and
Third
Kumar
one.
Yes,
was
ma'am.
Yes, now Sarthak has answered the third one, which is correct, and Pranavi, your answer is also correct. The odd one out is Indian, because in all the subjects, when we're talking about all the subjects, we have put one nationality, that is Indian. So Indian becomes odd one out here. And in the third one, we are talking about today, tomorrow, and Saturday, a day, all days. In all days, we have included a noun, that is ecole, which means school. So school becomes odd one out over there. Then in the
Yes, ma'am.
fourth one, Naitik Parmar, Prakarsh Khandelwal. If you know the answer, you can type in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Palak
Ma'am, can you
Insha
tell
is
me the
also
meaning
left.
of plage? Plage.
Plage is a beach, beta. Beach.
Okay, ma'am.
Palak, are you there? Better write the answer of the fifth one, and if you can speak the answer of the fifth one, that is also fine. What is the odd one out in the fifth one?
Ma'am, Canada is the fourth.
Wait, Kavya, beta. Naitik Parmar, okay, you don't know. Which one did I ask to Naitik? Fourth one?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, Canada.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Prakarsh. Prakarsh has sent the answer of the fourth one, which is a river. Do you think river is the correct answer, children? No.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, beta. It is not the correct answer.
Ma'am, it should be, ma'am, it's, ma'am,
Cinema.
cinema.
Ma'am,
Cinema. Ma'am, because other are water, ma'am, others are related to water.
Yes. In all water bodies, what we have done, we have added a cinema hall. Rest all are water bodies.
Ma'am, because cinema can't float on water.
Definitely. So cinema is odd one out, Prakarsh. Make correction over there. And
Okay,
in the fifth one. Now fifth one. Who will tell the fifth one?
Ma'am,
Kavya. Okay, let
Ma'am,
Kavya tell.
ma'am, may I
Kavya is too excited to answer.
Ma'am, it is Almond.
Yes. Almonne. All other are masculine nationality.
Ma'am, the masculine nationality.
Very good. While Almonne is feminine.
Feminine.
Good.
Ma'am, if we go to the map, so ma'am, Saudi Arabia will be wrong, ma'am, because ma'am, Spain lies in Europe, ma'am, Portugal lies in Europe, and Germany also lies in Europe. Ma'am, so if we go to geography, ma'am, so Saudi should be the wrong one.
Yes.
ma'am, Almond is not a nationality, ma'am. It is a country.
No. Almonne.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Almonne is a country. Right. Almond is nationality. Correct. That's correct. And yeah, definitely. Your point is correct. Almonne is country. It is not a nationality, while all other are countries.
Yes,
Oh, sorry,
ma'am.
nationality.
Germany.
Okay, now the seventh one. What you will do? Seventh one, you have to paste stickers from the back of the book.
Ma'am, stickers time.
Yes, and you have to answer using those stickers. So start
Sure, ma'am.
pasting.
6, yes, 7, ma'am, I got it. Ma'am, but they are not a... Ma'am, it is reply using this sticker.
Yes. Stickers are given on page number. Wait, I'll tell. Maybe in some books it is not there because in my book it wasn't there.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in
it
the
is-
back it's given at the end.
It is given.
It would be at the end or in the middle also.
Exercise 7. Yes.
Ma'am, lesson 7, exercise 8, page number 78.
Very good, very good. Yes, it is given. Read the questions carefully and paste the answer. 2 minutes for this work.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of first sentence?
Sava. Sava means how are you?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so I got the answer of first one, Canada.
No. Wait for 2 minutes. Let everybody do all of them. Then we'll discuss.
Ma'am, we can also be used as fine. Ma'am,
Sava, no beta. We cannot be used.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in the second rank, ma'am, second picture on third word, ma'am. What is it written?
Tu vas à la maison. You are going to the house.
Second one.
Second one.
Ye detestes ye fruit.
Beta, I can't understand which one.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm just increasing the voice of my mic. Ma'am, it is, ma'am, second one, non, ye detestes ye fruit. Ma'am, in the stickers.
Okay, no, I hate fruits. Detest stands for hate.
Ma'am, first one will be Oi Sava Bean.
Wait, let me see. Let me look at the stickers behind. Yes, it will be oui, ça va bien.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of quel jour nous sommes-nous?
What day is it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, nous sommes vendredi. Ma'am, I got, ma'am, it is Wednesday. Ma'am, I got it is Thursday, but I forgot the nous sommes.
Nous sommes means beta it is. When we tell about any day, we say like if I want to say today is what day? Today is Wednesday. So I'll say nous sommes mercredi.
For the fourth one.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good.
Ma'am, but if we will do, if the answers would be wrong, so how can we remove this?
Yes, how will you remove it? Okay, good. So the first one is Ça va? What is the answer? Oui, ça va bien.
Oui, ça va.
Oui, ça va bien. Okay. Next one. Quel jour sommes-nous? What day are we in? What day it is?
Oui, sir.
Nous sommes vendredi. Yes, nous sommes vendredi. Then, tu vas à la maison? Are you going to the house? Are you going back home? Are you going to the home? No.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I pasted. Ma'am, the new song vendredi. Ma'am, I pasted it for fourth one.
You have pasted it for the fourth one.
It was Dama say vendredi. Ma'am, so it is new song vendredi. Ma'am, I wrote it.
Ma'am, it means we are vendredi.
We know it doesn't mean we are Wednesday. It doesn't mean we are Friday. It means it is Friday. It is Friday. Okay, see, now the fourth one says, tomorrow it is Friday. Tomorrow it is Friday. Yes, it is the weekend. Yes, it is the weekend. Oui, c'est le weekend. And the last one, tu aimes les fruits? No, je déteste les fruits. You like fruits? No, I hate fruits.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, the pasting of the third one. Ma'am, tu vas à la maison. Ma'am, it will be no. Je vais à la piscine.
Yes. Are you going to the house? No. I'm going to the swimming pool. Je vais à la piscine. Done? Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now coming on to the last exercise, it is going to take a lot of time. The last exercise needs a little time, which can't be done right now. So we'll do this last exercise next week. What we are going to do today, let me ask you questions based on this chapter. Just one or two questions I'll be able to ask. The first one is, what is the word used for yesterday? What is the word that we use for yesterday? Type it in the chat box. Very good, Pranavi. No other answer. Only Pranavi's answer. What is yesterday? Yesterday is hier. H-I-E-R. Okay, children. Now it's more than 8:50.